Welcome to this simple orientation video of the Golden Mile programme for your school. Visit www.golden-mile.org, which will take you through to the home screen, and all you need to do is click on the primary schools icon, which will then take you through to the schools page. Once on the schools page, it gives you all the relevant information about the programme and the different impact measurements that this can do for your school. To log into the system, you will be given your own unique login, and you can log in just using an email and a password that we set up for you. On this example, I've just logged in on via a test site, and as you can see, this is the dashboard which can clearly visualize the amount of laps that have been completed within the relevant school. And there is also an option to involve some competition and some virtual challenges with other schools and other classes within school. The way it operates is each individual school will upload their classes onto the system, and all the children are then populated onto the system. As you can see, we've got pink for girls, blue for boys, and there is an option to add the parent's email address so that the parents can also get information about the children's physical activity performance in school. The way the system operates is we will measure out a lap length within school. So for example, we've got 200 metre lap, 250, 250 here, 100 and 275. And each of these lap lengths could be the Key Stage 1 playground, the school field, and so on and so forth. So we can pre-populate that for you. The children will then, or the teachers in school, will simply input how many laps each child completes per day into the system. And as you can see from this, we've just put in the different amount of miles or different amount of laps that the children have completed. And what you can see here now on the right hand side is we've now got some guidance documents, so some certification that this child has completed now 10 miles. And if we then click on this one, you can also see now that they've also completed the 25 miles. And again, it will automatically certificate them for the work they've done. And you can do that for all children in the group. And as you can see, there is a number of different options. We've got silver, gold for 50 miles, emerald for 75, ruby for 100, and diamond for 150 miles that the children have achieved. And that is really clearly stated down here. There's options to edit the pupils, move the pupils per class, obviously remove the child, and obviously change the gender of the child within that. These options to manage different challenges. So if you would like to start a challenge or a competition with some local schools, we can simply put them into the system. And we may, for example, do a challenge where the children could walk, run, jog, and we could work out how far it is, let's say, from your school to London. And it's a first school to collate all those miles together as a challenge into the system. Go back to your classes icon. You can also see again that there's a number of different resources that the children can do. We do baseline measurement days to really measure the impact of the programme, to really look at children's basic physical activity standards. These unique lesson plans that teachers can use to really engage the children in the programme. We've also got sponsor forms of where we can also do some fundraising initiatives for the children as well. And there is also class wall charts that we would implement in all schools. So there's lots of additional work that we can do through using the Golden Mile programme. I hope you found this orientation video useful, and we look forward to hearing from you should you want to get the physical baseline measurement system, the Golden Mile, into your schools.